Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and guys my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone setting friends. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you disable your aeroplane mode option in your Tecno mobile. So friends, you want to disable your aeroplane mode and guys you want to remove this icon on your screen guys. You can see in your on screen guys, you can see your aeroplane mode icon and guys you want to remove this icon. So friends, how can you remove it? In this video friends I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to disable your airplane mode. Sorry friends, I paused the video because of sound, so I now start the video. So friends, you can see this type of setting friends. Click on guys your mode connection setting friends, and guys you can see your airplane mode option. You can see the right side this icon guys. So guys tap here to disable your airplane mode option. So guys, airplane mode will off in your Tecno phone guys. And guys you can use guys your mobile data bypass setting guys, whatever you want to use in your phone you can use. You can use guys your call setting also. So hi friends, you have understood how to disable aeroplane mode in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends, bye friends.